W is for whale with Hopi. Welcome to a world of wonder. After her V adventure, Hopi is ready for a splashy new journey. Today, the letter W is our guide. Meet Wilfred, a giant. Friendly whale, Wilfred has a big, bubbly smile and loves to travel through the wide, blue water. Together, they are going on a wonderful W adventure. W is for wagon, wait for me. Wilfred, Hopi calls out. She pulls her little wooden wagon along the white sandy beach. The wagon has 4 wobbling wheels and is painted a bright, sunny yellow. Hopi has packed it with her favorite things, ready to see what other W treasures they can find along the coast. W is for waves. Wilfred dives deep and comes up with a giant, magnificent splash. The waves are white, foamy, and very wiggly. Look at the water go! Hopi laughs from the shore. The ocean feels alive as the waves dance back and forth under the bright sun, making everything look wet and shiny. W is for waffles. All that walking and splashing has made Hopi very hungry. She sits down on her blanket and pulls out a plate of warm, golden waffles. They are covered in square patterns and drizzled with sweet, sticky honey. Waffles are a wonderful snack, Hopi says as she takes a big, crunchy bite. W is for wind. Suddenly, a whistling wind begins to blow across the water. It makes the air feel cool and fresh. Wilfred sprays a mist of water from his blowhole that turns into a shimmering rainbow in the wind. Hopi has to hold onto her hat so the wind doesn't whisk it away into the sky. W is for willow. Near the edge of the beach, Hopi finds a beautiful weeping willow tree. Its long, green branches sway gently, looking like soft ribbons hanging from the sky. Hopi walks underneath the branches, feeling the leaves tickle her nose. It feels like she is standing inside a secret, leafy green tent. W is for walrus. Waddle, waddle, waddle. Out of the water comes a new friend, Winona the walrus. Winona has long, white tusks and very long, wiggly whiskers. She is wearing a warm, purple woolly scarf. Winona waves a flat flipper at Hopi and lets out a loud, friendly woof to say hello. W is for watermelon. Winona and Wilfred have found a giant, juicy watermelon. It is bright green on the outside and very heavy. When they open it up, the inside is a beautiful, watery red with tiny black seeds. It is the perfect refreshing treat to share after a long morning of exploring the windy coast. W is for well. Behind the beach, Hopi finds an old stone wishing well. The stones are covered in soft moss. Hopi leans over the side and looks deep into the water at the bottom. She makes a secret wish and drops a small white pebble into the well, plink. The water ripples in perfect circles. W is for wonderful. The sun begins to set, and the sky turns a soft, warm white and gold. Hopi is back home, tucked into her bed. Outside her window, she can see Wilfred swimming by in the moonlight. What a wonderful day, Hopi whispers. W is for world of sweet dreams. W is for whale with Hopi. Subscribe Hopi and Friends.